Hello, hello, my little travelers. Welcome to another magical episode where English meets adventure. Today is a very special day because we're not in the classroom. We are at the airport. Yes, the airport. A big place with airplanes, suitcases, tickets, lines, and lots of new words. In this episode, you will learn 30 important phrases in English that every child needs to know at the airport. Don't worry, we will go step by step, slowly, with fun, laughter, and imagination. Airports can feel big and confusing, but with English, everything becomes easier. And of course, I am not alone. I have my favorite travel buddy with me. Are you ready, Leo?
Yes, Miss Lily, I'm super ready. Wow, the airport is huge. There are so many people, so many bags, and I can hear airplanes outside. I feel like a real explorer today. I'm a little nervous, but also very happy. I want to learn how to talk in English here, so I can travel anywhere in the world. Please help me, Miss Lily.
Of course, Leo. That's what we're here for. Let's start from the very beginning. Imagine you arrive at the airport with your family. The first thing you might say is a simple greeting. Phrase number 1. Hello. Can you say it with me? Hello. This word is very powerful. You can say hello to airport staff, to pilots, to flight attendants, and even to new friends.
Hello. That one's easy. I like that word. I can say hello to everyone. Oh, Miss Lily, someone is asking me something.
Perfect timing, Leo. Phrase number 2 is very important. Excuse me. When you need help, when you want to pass, or when you want to ask a question, you say, excuse me. Say it slowly.
Excuse me. Oh, that sounds polite. I like being polite. Miss Lily, what if they ask me my name?
Excellent question. Phrase number 3, my name is. For example, you say, my name is Leo. Try it.
My name is Leo. Wow, that feels grown up.
You're doing amazing. Now let's imagine we are checking in. The person at the counter might talk about tickets. Phrase number 4, I have a ticket. This helps people know you are ready to fly.
I have a ticket. I feel important now.
You should. Now they may ask about your bag. Phrase number 5, this is my bag. Simple, clear, and very useful.
This is my bag. My bag is blue and big.
Very good. Now, sometimes people ask where you are going. Phrase number 6, I am going to, for example, I am going to Paris, or I am going to London.
I am going to the airplane. That works too. Now, waiting is part of the airport. Phrase number 7, I am waiting. You can say this when you sit and wait for your flight. I am waiting. Waiting is boring, but learning English is fun.
Exactly. Now let's talk about time. Phrase number 8. What time is it? This helps you know when your flight is.
What time is it? Oh, I like that question.
Great. Sometimes you need the bathroom. That's very important. Phrase number 9. Where is the bathroom? Never forget this one.
Where is the bathroom? Whisper. That one is super important.
Yes, it is. Now, security time. It can feel scary, but English helps. Phrase number 10. I am ready. You can say it when you are prepared.
I am ready. I feel brave now.
Wonderful. Let's imagine someone helps you. What do we say? Phrase number 11. Thank you. A small phrase with a big heart.
Thank you. I like saying thank you.
And if someone helps you a lot, phrase number 12, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. That sounds extra nice.
Now, sometimes you don't understand. That's okay. Phrase number 13, I don't understand. This is a very brave sentence.
I don't understand. That's okay, right?
Always okay. And when you want them to say it again, phrase number 14, can you repeat, please?
Can you repeat, please? Oh, that's a long one, but I can do it.
You're doing great. Now let's imagine boarding the plane. Phrase number 15, is this my seat? Very helpful.
Is this my seat? I hope it's next to the window.
Me too. Now you sit down and feel excited. Phrase number 16, I am excited.
I am excited. My tummy feels funny.
That's excitement. Now maybe you feel hungry. Phrase number 17, I am hungry.
I am hungry. Can I get juice?
Perfect. Now let's talk about feelings. Sometimes kids feel tired. Phrase number 19, I am tired.
I am tired, but I still want to learn.
That's the spirit. Now imagine you see the airplane. Phrase number 20, I see the airplane.
I see the airplane. Wow, it's big.
Yes. Now sometimes you need help from your family. Phrase number 21, I need help.
I need help, but I feel strong too.
Both can be true. Now, when the plane lands, you feel happy. Phrase number 22, we are here.
We are here. Yay!
Wonderful. Now, maybe you want your bag. Phrase number 23, where is my bag?
Where's my bag? I hope it didn't fly away.
Don't worry. Now, imagine someone talks too fast. Phrase number 24, slowly, please.
Slowly, please. That helps my ears.
Yes. Now, let's talk about family. Phrase number 25, this is my family.
This is my family. They're my team.
Beautiful. Now, imagine you want to sit. Phrase number 26, can I sit here?
Can I sit here? Polite again.
Always polite. Now, when you are happy, say phrase number 27, I am happy.
I am happy. Traveling is fun.
It is. Now, imagine the trip is long. Phrase number 28, it is a long trip.
It is a long trip, but I like it.
Good attitude. Now, almost done. Phrase number 29, let's go.
Let's go. Adventure time.
And finally, phrase number 30, very important. Goodbye. You say it when you leave.
Goodbye, but not forever.
Exactly, Leo. And now, dear listeners, you learned 30 English phrases that every child can use at the airport. You learned how to ask for help, how to talk about feelings, how to be polite, and how to enjoy traveling with confidence. English is like a passport. The more you practice, the more places you can go. Remember to listen again, repeat the phrases out loud, and practice with your family. And before we go, we have something very important to tell you.
Yes, if you liked this episode, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write a comment telling us where you want to travel. I want to know.
That's right. Your support helps us create more fun English adventures just for you. Click like, subscribe now, and comment below. Thank you for learning with us today. Until the next journey.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you at the next adventure.
Goodbye, my little travelers. Keep learning, keep smiling, and keep flying with English.